every single day.
It's Tuesday morning and I just woke up, I bathed, I'm trying to get ready for the day because it's gonna be pretty busy. I have one cancellation for this evening in Salt, but that's okay because I'm supposed to have something in Bamboo this evening, so that's fine. I just edited the video from yesterday making mango kuchela. There it is. I just uploaded it there, and of course to my Facebook. I really hope that you guys order. It's like a seriously wicked deal. I'm pretty sure you're gonna like it, and it's for Christmas. You get a special note from me. If you're interested in any of my mango kuchela, message me. If you're interested in making lifestyle changes or getting dietary advice, I can help you with that. If you want to join my weight loss program, contact me this morning. I have to deposit the $100 bills that I found, and then I'm heading down south. I'm gonna do I have a home visit to do first, and then after that I'm gonna do the donation drive because I was supposed to give to 2 families, and the family was so far from me that I really couldn't make it. It's gonna be a long day. You always brighten my day, always make me feel better because you're so sweet. So sweet. Oh gosh. Love you, baby. Love your kisses. Your kisses. Oh. Sing about. Ready? Check it out. Let's get on the road. Wow, no way am I getting into the bank right now. That makes no sense. Delivering. So I'm heading down to South, and the weather's not looking so great, but hopefully it's not gonna be terrible. Where am I going? Like, really? A bit scared. Oh man, I'm in the bush. Give her a little call. It was fun. Home visits are awesome. And now I have to go and do this donation drive, and the person is like an hour away from where. These things are so frustrating, and I am clueless as to this deep south location, so it's a bit scary. It's really scary. You're by yourself in the car driving to places you don't even know where you're going. So totally fun, man. And it's raining. Yeah, it's a great day. It's totally awesome. It couldn't get any better. Right? If I had somebody with me. It's an empty chair. Stop it. Oh dear. What do I get myself into? What? Lost completely? Yeah. There's not that much. Hi, how are you? That was it, yeah. It's like... I'm now getting a chance to chat. That was crazy. So after the donation drive, and I had to get out of there, I didn't know how Sati's Google Maps and my battery was like dying. I went by my sister and dropped off some stuff, did some errands, and then I left the kuchela for this girl there, so she'll collect it from her whenever she comes down south. I have one more kuchela to drop in Price Plaza, so on the way home I will do that.
So you're saying you had time to breathe, but you couldn't text me back? Like, you could inhale and exhale, but you couldn't text me back. I'm just trying to make this make sense.
I'm home, I eat. Oh gosh, really tired. I'll have to edit this donation drive video and upload it because it's late. And then I think I have like exercise session this evening. So I gotta drop this kuchela for this guy meeting me. And well, you know what I gotta do to relax with my squishy. So much love. So I have midway in changing because I have my exercise session later, like 6:45, and it's now like minutes to 6. The person for the kuchela called and said that they're ready to meet me, so I'm driving over as fast as I can. He was shy, so I just gave it. So I'm getting ready to head to my exercise session. Well, I mean, I was already changed before I left to go drop the kuchela, but I'm wearing up my long sleeve because again, it's late. Yep, that's the time. So whenever I exercise in the night, it's just too cold for me, man. I'm just freezing up. It's been a long time since I've eaten late like that. Oh my god, I'm late. I gotta go. I'm home just munching on some nuts and some chocolate, dark chocolate. It's now like 9. We made a banana yogurt parfait. Delicious. He liked it, so I'm glad. I still have to edit the donation video and this one. I forgot I have to type up this stuff from today's session this morning and email it. And also someone who wanted to do the program next year paid in full. So I guess it's that $100 issue. So I have to send a receipt. So I'm doing that right now.